So now let's delete our add a auth header feature branch. So git branch dash d add. Okay, the branch has been deleted. Let's check it by running git branch. This here is only one branch, that is main. So now let's create a new branch, git branch. Let's call it add hero section to home page feature. I know the branch name is too long, but that would work fine for me. So let's switch to it. Git switch branch, git switch add hero section to home page, and we have switched it. If I run git status, nothing to commit should be visible. Okay, we have nothing to commit. Let's create. So now let's start creating our hero section on home page. I know the website is not currently looking very pretty, but it will be once we created our home page. So let's create the home page. Inside components folder, let's create a new folder called home page, and inside it let's create a new file called hero section.tsx. So let me quickly just create the hero section. So I have created my dummy hero section here, and we need to import it in the home page. So let's import it here. So let's import hero section from home page, and if I now save it, the hero section should be visible in the browser. Okay, we are seeing the hero section in here. If I now maximize it, okay, the text size is little small, so let's improve it a little bit. Okay, our dummy hero section is now created, and I have hard coded some of these data, that is 5 players that is registered with PlayUnion and 8 teams. So now we need to move to the next thing, that is adding a trending game section and quick action section. So let's start working on that. So let's go to hero section. So let's create a new div here and give some classes. So width should be 1050 px, and flex display and flex display and justify between with gap of 8 maybe. So to better visualize it, let's give it a background color of blue 500 also. If I now save it, it should be visible. Okay, there is nothing visible. We need to add few things here, and we need to give items center also, items center. So here we will add two things, that is trending games section and quick actions panel. Oh, I have forgot that we actually need to commit the changes first. So let's delete this and let's commit the hero section. So let's go to our git bash and check git status. We have modified page.tsx and untracked files components header home page. So let's check the modified home page. So git diff head maybe. This is home page and hero section. Okay, this is totally fine. So let's add them. Git add dot. Let's commit them with a commit message. Add hero section to home page. Okay, we have committed. Let's switch to main branch and merge it. Let's switch main and let's run git merge add hero section to home page feature. It should be a fast forward merge. Okay, we have merged it. Now we need to delete the branch. Git branch dash d add hero section to home page feature, and it is successfully deleted. Let's check it. Let's check our logs here on the main. That is one line. We have add hard coded auth logic for header, add hero section to home page. So now let's create another branch, git branch, add buttons, trending games panel, feature panel to home page feature. I know branch names are too long, but it will work. Let's push our code to GitHub on the main branch. Git push origin main, so it will publish the changes and add the hero section to our GitHub repository. So we have add hero section home page and we have 8 commits here. So now let's switch to another branch, git switch, and it is add trending games panel to home page feature. Let's do a git branch. Okay, we are currently on the feature branch. So let's do some changes. Let's add a new file to homepage folder in the components folder and call it trending games section.tsx. So let me quickly make it. So let's add it in the home page. So let's paste the copied code from earlier and put trending games section here. So let's create the component default export default async function trending games section, and it will return a section, and it will now simply just say this is trending games section. So if I now add trending games section, if I now save and look at the browser, okay, this is looking correctly. Actually not 500 but 100. If I maximize it, okay, we need to give it a width. We have given a width, actually we need to center it. So let's mx auto, this will center it. Okay, we have centered it. Let's also give it margin top of 8 maybe. Okay, that's fine. Okay, so now let me just quickly make the trending games section here. Okay, so our dummy trending games section is ready and this is how it is looking. We have trending games title here, then we have game title here, and later we will use an image here to represent the game. So it has been created successfully. Now we need to create the quick actions panel in the right. So let's do that. And before this we need to actually commit this. So git status, we have modified homepage and added a new file standing game section.tsx. So git add space dot git commit dash m add not add but create trending games section in homepage. That would be totally fine. So let's commit it and let's switch the branch, switch main, and let's merge the branch here, git merge add trending game section to homepage feature. Okay, it is fast forward merge and it has been created. Let's get status, nothing to commit, and let's push it to main. So git push origin main. Okay, the push has been successful done. So if I refresh, create trending game section in homepage. Okay, so it has successfully pushed the code to GitHub. Now let's create the branch, git branch dash d add trending games panel to homepage feature, and the branch is successfully deleted. Let's test it. Git branch, there is only one branch, that is main. So now we need to create a quick actions panel here also. So let's create a new branch, get branch, and call it add quick actions panel to home page feature, and let's switch to it, get switch add quick. Okay, we have switched to the feature branch. Let's close this and let's create a new file in the components folders of homepage and call it quick actions section.tsx, and let's create the component export default async function quick actions section, and it will return a section, and for now it will just say this is quick actions panel. So let's import it in the home page below the trending games section, and it will say quick action section. So if I now save it, it should be visible in the browser, and we have a message here. This is quick actions panel. If I maximize it, we need to create it here. So let's work on that. So let me quickly build this. So our dummy quick action sections is ready, and this is how it is looking. So if I maximize, so this is here we are trending game section, and this is quick action section. I have added create game profile action here, create team action, recruit players, find team. Actually it should be find teams, not find teams. So let's update it, find teams. And we need to add some paragraphs here that just say something about trending games, and a category of game may be here in the bottom. So let's add that, but before that we need to commit our changes to our add quick actions panel to homepage feature. So if I type git status, we have modified page home page and created a new file quick actions section. So let's git add and git commit dash m create quick actions section in home page. This is fine. So let's switch the branch, git switch main, and let's merge the feature branch, git add quick actions panel to homepage feature, and it is a fast forward merge. If I type git status again, nothing to merge, and git log. So we have create trending game section in homepage, create quick actions section in homepage. So now let's delete the branch here, git branch delete add quick actions. The branch is deleted. Let me check. Okay, we have only main branch. Okay, so our changes have been merged, and let's also push to the GitHub, git push origin main. So now let's check it. If I refresh, there should be 10 commits. Okay, create actions section in home page. Okay, so this is working fine. Now let's add some paragraphs to trending games. So let's close this, and below this let's just cover it with a div and place a paragraph below, and let's cut the class name from here and add it here and say just most active right now. Okay, we need to add some paddings. So padding left of 4 maybe, and let's delete the padding 4 from here and add it here. most active right now, and remove the padding left from here. Okay, this is looking much better. Also we need to decrease the padding from here now, and maybe let's just increase the height here. Let's increase the height from, okay, let's just remove the padding maybe. Okay, now we need to increase the height a little bit. 72 288 px. Let's just go with 300 px, and this is much better looking. Okay, now let's add category here. So paragraph will be, what category is Valorant FPS. Let's just save and look how it is looking. Okay, I need to move this in the bottom, so let's add a flex property here. Flex between, not flex between, not flex column, and justify between items. Not, this is fine. Okay, so let's copy and paste for this other also. Copy, paste, and copy this paragraph. It is not FPS, it is Battle Royale, and League of Legends is of category MOBA, and PUBG is also Battle Royale. But now save it. Okay, this is looking much better. And we are doing changes on the main branch, I think. Okay, main branch. Also we need to move these trending games to the top at where the quick sessions is. So let's go to page, and let's from center to start maybe. Okay, it's now moved up. Also let's give it a border in between hero section and main section here. Okay, we are having some issues, cannot find name div. Okay, so maybe a temporary error with TypeScript or what. Okay, it has gone. So we need to include a border here. Let's include it here. So div, let's add class name border bottom and border. For now it's just black. I will change it to later, grade 200 maybe. For now it's just okay, and give it a padding bottom of 4 maybe, and width is full. Okay, so if I now save it and look, if I maximize it, okay, width is full. We need to change the width from 7 1050 px to maybe 1025 px. And if I look at, okay, we need to move it in the middle, so mx auto. And if I now save it, and we need to add some margin top of 4 maybe, and it is looking very nice now. Let's just add to the y-axis and delete padding. my4 maybe 8. Okay, it is fine. So this is looking much better now. Let's remove the background color here, and we can add later gradients to these boxes. So let's just remove black and add gray 200. Not gray but gray. I save it. Okay, it is still there but barely visible. That's what I want. So our home page is ready now. This is what a home page should look like. We have hero section and ending game sections and quick actions sections. Next we are going to work on our login page and register page with database.